So another technology that's being used on the security operations side are robots and drones. And the thing I really enjoy about using or thinking about this new technology is the security and safety of the operation side of things. One of the things that I see could potentially be an issue when you have a security operations group and specifically guards that go out and check into alarms that are on a property of the size of a data center. And most data centers are extremely large, and their property expands a good distance. And one of the issues I potentially see is you're sending a guard out to the corner of your property. It's dark. You can't see. It's fenced in. It's maybe not fenced in. Maybe they're outside the fence. And they happen to run into an adversary who has a weapon of some type. Well, most guards in the data center side, there are some armed, but some are not armed. And if you're sending someone out there that's not armed and don't know what they're getting into, and they don't have that awareness because it's in a far side of your property, the drone and or a robot is a perfect thing to supplement the security operations group.